Hello everyone, welcome back to Nanashir Academy. Today we are going to learn another chapter from science, natural selection, habitat and adaptation. First of all, we learn what is competition. Have you seen fight between two animals of same species? Have you seen fight between two different species? Yeah, this fight is a competition. Competition occurs naturally between living organisms that are living in the same environment. In first picture you can see there are three baby birds that demand more food from mother bird. This is known as natural competition. Now what is the definition of competition? The simultaneous demand by two or more organisms for limited resource such as food, water, shelter, living space, etc. is called competition. Natural selection. The concept of natural selection is given by British scientist Charles Robert Darwin in his famous book The Origin of Species in 1838. Organisms have distinct and unique features for finding food, building shelter, evading predators, and reproduction. They make use of these features for survival. The fit ones survive and unfit ones are eliminated by nature. This process is called natural selection or survival of the fittest. Natural selection and evolution. Natural selection helps in evolution. Variation in heritable features exist within every species. Organisms of the same species may also have variations that may provide an advantage in reproduction and survival. Environmental conditions and survival. Have you thought what would happen to dinosaurs and mammoths? Why they disappeared from Earth? The answer to this question is the Earth has a lot of different ecosystems that support various animals and plant species. Change in environment of any ecosystem may have negative impact on the survival of some species in that ecosystem. When this happens, plant and animal species become endangered and sometimes even extinct, like mammoth, dinosaur, etc. When there is a change in an ecosystem, organisms either adapt to this change, move to another ecosystem, or die. Habitat. The place where organisms live is called habitat. It means a dwelling place or a home. The habitat provides food, water, shelter, air, and other needs to organisms. Several kinds of plants and animals live in the same habitat. Types of habitats. There are two types of habitats. First one is terrestrial habitat and second is aquatic habitat. Let's learn one by one. Terrestrial habitat. The plants and animals that live on land, for example, forest, grassland, desert, coastal and mountain region. Aquatic habitats. The plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitats, for example, lakes, rivers and oceans. Adaptation. Animals have certain special body features that help them adjust and survive in their habitat. These features are called adaptation. Physical adaptations do not develop during an animal lifetime but over many generations. Adaptation helps in finding food, beating competition, or escaping from predators. Some plants and animals live in places where it is very difficult to survive. They need special adaptation to survive. For example, the polar bear has a furry coat or thick layer of fat that protect it from the cold. Camels are well adapted for survival in the desert. Their adaptations include large, flat feet to spread their weight on the sand and the water intake features. Almost all desert animals stay deep underground in burrow to avoid the heat during the hottest part of the day. They are active at night and are called nocturnal animals, for example, the kangaroo rat, etc. Most desert plants have leaves reduced to spine to minimize the loss of water from transpiration. Spines also protect them to be eaten by herbivorous animals. Chameleons have the ability to change the color or camouflage to blend in with their surroundings and save themselves from predators. Animals living in the mountain regions are also adapted to the condition there. They have thick skin or fur to protect them from the cold. For example, yak have long hair to keep them warm. Snow leopard has thick fur on its body that protect it from the cold. Animals lives in grassland needs to know about the presence of predators, animals like lion, in order to run away from them. For example, deer has long ear to hear movement of predators. The eyes on the side of its head allow it to look in all directions for danger. The speed of the deer also helps them to run away from the predators. A recap, let's revise what we learned today in this video. All living organisms compete over food, water, shelter, and living space for their survival. Nature selects the fit one and eliminates the unfit is called the process of natural selection. Organisms of the same species may also have variations that may provide an advantage in reproduction and survival. Human activities often change or destroy the habitat that plants and animals need to survive. The surroundings where plants and animals live is called their habitat. The presence of specific features and habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. There are two types of habitats named terrestrial and aquatic habitat. There is a wide variety of organisms present in different habitats. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Bye bye.